Hello everyone, welcome to Hunter's Creations. Hope you had a happy Father's Day. If you want to make something else for your father, you came to the right video. Because today I'm going to show you how to make your own LEGO key fob. LEGO Fidget Key Fob. This is the LEGO key fob closer, and I'm going to tell you all the itty bitty details. Detail number 1 is this. This thing is the same as this. This thing can turn by this thing at the top, or you can turn it right here. This thing basically does the same thing, except there's nothing at the top. So it just turns like that. This one can move around. This one can turn. And this is where the key hooks on to. These are 2 little flashing lights. And then this is my little LEGO kaleidoscope. There's a hole in the back where it can look through. It just snaps back on. And finally, I have this little itsy wincy phone. Pretend phone for your dad to talk in. Now for the building. These are the pieces you need. 1 2x4 plate, 1 1x4 plate, 6 1x2 plates, 2 1x1 plates, 1 2x2 rounded plate, 1 2x2 plate with a hole next to it, 4 big jumper plates, 1 small jumper plate, 2 cylinder pieces, 1 1x2 tile, 1 long bracket, 1 small tire piece, 1 telescope piece, 1 grappling piece, 1 phone piece, 1 flower piece, 1 flat stud piece, and 3 studs. Let's build. Ta-da! If you want to see how to make a bigger version of the small kaleidoscope, you can check it in my channel. But if you like it, please like and subscribe. Bye!